Can I get 1,000 subscribers in just 24 hours? Is that even possible? I know it sounds crazy, but trust me, I tried something that might actually blow your mind. Let's break it all down. This isn't some random experiment. It's real, raw, and completely shocking. You'll want to stick around till the end because there's a surprise waiting for you. Before we get into it, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join this journey because this one is going to be worth it. So here's how it all started. On December 19th, I took over my mom's YouTube channel. She wasn't really active on it, and I thought, why not use it to test my crazy idea? The channel had zero momentum, and I wanted to see if I could turn things around by uploading only shorts. Honestly, I was a little scared my mom would say, "Son, what are you doing? Stop this nonsense." But I convinced her it was all in the name of science, or at least my YouTube dreams. That changed everything. So here's where things get interesting. I uploaded my first short, and guess what? Within just one day, one single short racked up views like crazy, and boom. 500 subscribers in just that one video. I couldn't believe it. I literally refreshed my analytics every 5 minutes thinking, is this real or is YouTube playing a prank on me? And then I uploaded a second short after 2 days. You see, shorts take about 48 hours to pick up momentum. And the second short, oh man, it was insane. It got 15,000 views and brought in 50 plus subscribers in just 48 hours. I know this is a 24-hour challenge, but I thought I'd give you some extra knowledge about how my short strategy worked on this channel. Pretty cool, right? But for me, that initial 500 subscribers in 24 hours was a huge deal. Coming from 0 subscribers to hitting that milestone felt surreal. And honestly, I was so grateful to God for making it happen. I know what you're thinking. Is he faking these results? But no, I'm not. These are the real analytics from 35 days ago. I'm sharing this now because due to some health issues, I couldn't record this video earlier. But here I am, finally sharing the truth about my shorts journey. Oh, and if you want to check out that channel, just search for Troller Guy on YouTube. I want to give back to all of you for supporting my journey. So here's the deal. I'm announcing a giveaway. All you have to do is comment below, tell me what your biggest dream is, and of course, subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell notification because I'll be announcing the winner in my next video. And trust me, you don't want to miss it. It's going to be huge. Guys, this is just the beginning. If I can go from 0 to 500 subscribers with one short, imagine what we can achieve together. Let's keep growing, keep learning, and keep chasing those dreams. And remember, let's crack the algorithm with Algorithm Mastermind. See you in the next video.